So we've stopped in this little town on the way. It's called Kamba, and we're here in the plaza, which is the best place to meet people. And there's a little girl, tiny little cute girl eating a little ice cream. And I thought, oh, you're so cute. And I took her picture, and then I thought I should ask her parents. So I said, hey, can I take her picture? And they said yes. And the girl didn't want, so she turned her head, so I ran around to the other side of the bench and I shot a picture of her, and she burst into tears. Now she's hysterically crying. They've left and she's like kicking her father the whole time. So I feel bad, I've like caused this huge discord in the family, but I got a good picture of her, so, you know. We're gonna head out from here to Lima. It's a nice place. You know, it's funny that a lot of times people tell us, oh, you know, there's nothing on the way. It's just total road bumps. Just, you know, there's nothing on the way to get to this destination. And what we found is that's so not true. That everywhere we go, we'll just stop in the plaza or on the beach and we have this amazing time. We meet people and we can totally feel what it would be like to live with those people, to be in the frequency of staying in that part of the world. And like, I'm sitting here in the middle of the plaza in Kamba right after the sun has set, and I thought I could live here for a week or a month or a year and be really happy. So I don't believe that anymore, that some place is just a speed bump on the way to somewhere else. No, every place we've been has its own quality, its own frequency, its own beauty, and it's got people, and everywhere we go these people are beautiful. So hey, we're enjoying Kamba. Here, look at my kids and Kobe.
אז מה, אני דחפתי את הוראה הזה, וגם אתם דחפתם אותו והוא עף.